Lesson 30 Color. Today, you are going to expand your vocabulary by learning various collocations about color. You can describe a color as light or dark. For example, someone can have light brown or dark brown hair. If a color is very intense, you can describe it as bright. For example, a bright red apple. If the color is not very intense, you can describe it as pale. For example, a pale green grass. When describing colors in general, you can talk about bold colors or vivid colors, which are very intense, or pastel colors, which are light or pale. We can use other words to describe specific shades of a color, variations of a specific color. These words are usually a typical object with particular color. For example, sky blue is a light shade of blue, like the color of the sky. Here are some of the most common collocations: ruby red, cherry red, fiery orange, burnt orange, lemon yellow, golden yellow, emerald green, olive green, sky blue, royal blue, navy blue, or midnight blue. When you have something that is primarily one color, but with a little bit of another color included, we can use the word tinge. There are two ways to structure the sentence. The flowers are yellow with a tinge of pink in the middle. My cast fern is light gray. My cast fern is light gray, with a slight brownish tinge. You can also use this form, a color word plus ish, to describe mixes of colors. For example, reddish brown is a shade of brown with a strong pattern of red, whereas yellowish brown is a shade of brown with a strong pattern of yellow. Some colors look good together. In this case, we can say that the colors match. All the colors look terrible together. In this case, we can say that the colors clash. When the color of a person's clothes looks good with that person's skin tone, color of their skin, you can say that color suits you or that color looks good on you. Finally, one tip about changing the color of something, we can use the verb paint in most cases. You paint a house, paint your nails, but we use the verb dye for hair and cloth fabric. So you dye your hair blonde and dye a shirt blue.